Hi guys, welcome to Neutral.x360. This is where I will unlock your potential. This is where you master the market. Today I'll be talking about the line chart. Yes, the line chart. And I see people usually take this line chart for granted. This is a very powerful tool. All right. I've come across so many back testing whereby I've tried it myself. I've seen others, higher traders also do the same thing. All right, so youth traders also do the same thing. But for newbies and pro, most of them don't know actually the power of line charts or the main tool of this line chart. So today I'm talking about line chart, and we use line chart for different things. All right, we use line chart to exit a trade. We use line chart to profit a trade, and we use line chart to know trend of a trade. Okay, and actual trend. What's the line chart? Line chart, this is the close of every candle position. All right, this is close of this major price closes. All right, that's the power of line chart. Okay, today we're on the 24 hours on V25. This is what we'll be using as our example. All right, and you guys have seen those charts whereby, let me say, their counter trendy. uh, so they are counter trending on the setup whereby price hit the take profit, or this take profit with just a week before it reverses like with huge force. So that kind of trade or that kind of setup, that's the power of a line chart. All right, let me show you on the chart. So same thing, before you start moving on with time frame, ask yourself, what kind of trader are you? All right, since we are on the daily trader, since I'm a day trader, so we'll go from the daily chart to our 4 hours, we will call our directional time frame. So this is where the power of the line chart comes in. Next, then you own your line chart. Once you own your line chart, you see this structure movement. This structure movement, let me show you guys properly, where you see the line going up, down, up, down, up, down. All right, so this structure movement is what you actually see, like this way you see price closes. Each point means price close. I think I need to on my magnetic tools for you guys to see. Okay, now see, these are each point of price closes. All right, this is not like the usual candlestick chart. Okay, this is a good measuring tool for exact points. Okay, because we measure candles close, open and close, right? Why the week, we say the week are for price extension, right? So since the week are for price extension, so this is what we'll be doing, right? So we'll go back, we'll come back to our line chart, and you see guys, we have a clean chart here. Okay, we have a clean chart here whereby we see price goes up, down, goes up again and comes down, right? So this kind of chart movement will actually tell us, okay, the overall trend is down trend. Okay, one, now you guys don't know how you can do it for trend. Now let's say we have an A plus setup. Okay, let's say we have A plus setup. I'll use uh this recently, because for deriv trading view, you don't we don't have this rewind button, or like the actual trading view will say we have a good futures and all that. Okay, so we don't have that on deriv, so that's why I like deriv. So this one will actually give you the main work you are looking for. Then we'll go to our analysis time frame. Let's just pick up a setup. Then I want to show you guys the power of a line chart, right? So you guys will back test the setup and see how it works best for you. So here we'll see a sell trade. Okay, price came into an order block over here. So let's say we are entering this chart on a sell position. then we got in here for our entry, right? Then we'll switch back to our line chart where we say price closes at every tip. Okay, let me on my magnetic too. So say price closes at every tip. So once you hit your magnet tool like that, then back to your uh zone again, then you can see to your candlestick, then you can see the way price respected that zone. This would have give you a good 2 to 1. Okay, so you always target 1 to 3. Even with my eye set up, I ain't 1 to 3. So this will give you a good 1 to 3 RR. All right, so if this can give you a good 1 to 3 RR, yes, you can also measure your stop loss zone with it. All right, you can see you can measure your stop loss zone with it as well. You can go back to the line chart and just scroll down and put it below the close there, right? Below the close, because there is where actually your structural point comes from. But there's this saying on trading: always give your stop loss room to breathe. All right, also give your stop loss room to breathe, and all that is because they don't actually know the power of a line chart. Once you know the power of a line chart, there's no such thing as stop loss breathe. Okay, if you want to make your stop loss as tiny as possible, try using line chart. If you want to make a good clean profit target, try using a line chart. All right, now we now know it for our stops, our profits, and our trend. Go and back test this. Try it out with your trading view. You can still use the trading view, or you can try it out your normal trading view. Go with series of back tests. Try it with a 1 month data. Okay, once you try it with 1 month data or 2 months data, come back to this same video, give it a thumbs up, give it a comment. All right, and also guys, my online class end 30th of October this month. All right, so if you really want to enjoy the process as well, this 30 will be the crazy part whereby I'll drop live setup, we'll take trades live, we'll do things live. Okay, you guys will see how I'm doing it with the line chart and everything. I will explain and break everything down. I mean, everything down, guys. So see you soon and don't miss out. Peace.